there, but there's a third gear shift. I can't really get on it because it's wet. Hey folks, welcome back to Eddie's Speed Garage. I'm Ed. This is my 92 Camaro Z28 convertible. Today it's late April and it's snowing, but we all know the snow doesn't cause rust. It's salt that causes rust. So, you know, we wash our cars. I've been caught in the rain in this thing a couple times, so it's no big deal. But what I wanted to talk to you guys today is about the transmission shift servo from a Corvette that I installed in here recently. And I gotta say, for $46, $47 from eBay, it's probably one of the best things I've ever done to this car. Back before I did it, it just had these really spongy, terrible second, third, fourth shifts. And this is taking care of most of that. And I know you can buy shift kits and stuff to improve that, but that requires you to drop the pan, you gotta drill some holes, move some bearings around. This seems to have done most of that without having all that excess trouble. So we're gonna go for a ride right now. I just wanna let you know in advance that it doesn't affect your normal driving, right? If you're driving around, just, you know, doing your thing, just out for a cruise, the normal shifting is not affected. I really don't notice a difference. There's no hard, you know, first, second shift, third, fourth shift. It is a little bit quicker, but it's not noticeable. But then when you get on it, give it, you know, extra gas or floor it, you'll notice that it's crisp. I mean, it just first, second, just like that, second, third, just like that. So it makes a big difference performance-wise. I mean, I'm sure it'll drop your ET by a little bit, just not having to slip the transmission between gears. And that being said, it's a little bit wet out there, so we'll take it easy, but like and subscribe. You guys keep watching the videos. I keep making them. Let's go for a ride. All right, so here we go. Just a little regular old driving. Doing if you were just cruising. So now we're already in third and there was fourth. Nothing exciting, nothing to report there, just normal shifts doing its thing. Next we'll do a lot of pedal and we'll see how that goes. All right, we're gonna do a good bit. That, and I had some wheel spin there, but there's a third gear shift. I can't really get on it because it's wet. So I think that's enough for today. I don't want to wrap this thing in a tree before the cruising season starts. Guys, so like I said, we were going to discuss the servo. So this is located on the right side of your transmission. That would be passenger side, kind of towards the front, just behind the bell housing. And this is what the cover looks like here. So what you get is, this is my old one that came out. When you go to remove this, it is possible to do it with it in the car. You'll have to drop the back of the transmission, so you'll have to take the cross member off and lower it as far as you can get it. And then it's still a little bit tricky, but you put a little force on the transmission and push it towards the driver's side and this will slide out. One of the things I like to note is there's a big O-ring here. When you take the retaining ring off here, this will actually push itself out, but this O-ring won't let you do it. So there's a couple of keyways down there in the housing where you can see the seal. What you do is you cut it and you pull it straight out, and then this cap will come out and allow you to pull the rest of it out. Now this part here, right on the end here, I believe that's the same. The cap is the same, that's the same. This is what they end up changing, is you get a different size, one of these and one of these. So it changes things, and it's what came stock in the Corvette. This is, like I said, it was like $46, $47 from eBay. I've seen kits where you can just buy these two parts here and change them out. But I just want to let you guys know that it can be done in the car, and you probably need to replace about half a quart of fluid from the loss, but that's it. So how about you guys like and subscribe? We'll keep the videos coming if you keep watching them, and we'll catch you next time on Eddie's Speed Garage. Thanks.